Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change default media player in Windows 11. If you want to do it, first you need to click rightmouse button on icon with a start, and after that you need to go to settings. Then from the left panel we need to go to apps, and here we need to open default apps, defaults for file and link types, other defaults. So I click on this one arrow to open it, and then on set defaults for applications we need to type the name of the software which we want to be used as default media player. So I type here Microsoft Clipchamp and I open this one software by clicking on this one arrow, and here you will see the default types of files which are actually being used by media player. So if you want to change the default software for each file type, you need to click on them. For example, I click on AVI and I select here Microsoft Clipchamp. Then I click set default and it will be successfully changed, yeah? I recommend you to change it for other formats like MP4. So I select here MP4, I select here Microsoft Clipchamp and I click set default. So you can repeat this action for all formats here, then the default media player will be successfully changed. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.